I welcome you again to NeedleMeister channel for another tutorial. In our discussion for today, we are going to look into how to make this Welt pocket. You may miss a vital information if you skip any part of this video. I will advise you not to. Let's dive into it. This is the point where I want to put the Welt pocket. It is of length 6 inches and I mark at midpoint 3 inches. This is the pocket bag. It is of length 16 inches and width 7.5 inches. Then I styled it into the kind of shape you're seeing right now. It was rectangle before, so I styled it. This is the pocket piece. I'm going to gum to it this interfacing. It is of length 7 inches and width 2.5 inches. The next we are going to do is to mark the midpoint. On each side of it, I'm going to square up by 0.5 inch. Then connect this point with a straight line. I will draw a straight line on each side of the interfacing. This is because I wanted to trim out some unwanted part from this pocket piece in such a way that its width will be equal to that of the interfacing. Now I'm going to fold this around the interfacing. Before I put any gum, let's quickly overlock this area like this, okay? We are going to fold the sides also, but we are not putting any gum yet. This is the other piece of the Welt. Just like we did after gumming the interfacing to the first part, we are going to square up by ½ inch, okay? Then connect the point with a straight line. We're gonna mark the midpoint. Remember, the first piece was length 7 inches. The length of this is going to be 6 inches. Please take note that the inner one is going to be 1 inch smaller than the outer one. Setting its midpoint at the marked point on the fabric, we are going to run stitches from one of its ends to the other. After stitching, we are going to cut at the center. We are going to notch the corners, that is the ends of the stitches. I normally recommend a small notching scissors for this task because it is very easy to control when notching delicate part like this. Once the target point is exceeded, you know that you damaged the whole process. So I will recommend you to get a small notching scissors like this one. Now that we've successfully notched the 4 corners, let's take it to the table, please. We are going to start with the inner one. First, we are going to press open the seam. Always remember to use cover cloth when ironing the outer part of your clothes. Now we are going to fold it on the opened seam. We are going to push in the notches also. See what we have here. Now let's take this to the sewing machine. See what we have here. Let's cut out the excess behind. Now let's go back to the table. We are going to put another gum on this. Let's press it with iron to give it a smooth surface here. I'm going to hold both sides with gum. Now we are going to take it to the sewing machine. Because we need to cover the pocket bag, we are going to notch this side. Please help me like this video if I have added a value to you so far. Please like this video so that YouTube will recommend it for other tailors to view. Please leave me a comment in the comment section. What do you think about this content? Did I deliver it well? Is there something that you don't like about how I delivered it to you? Tell me in the comment section, please. I love to read your comments and I will make adjustments where they are necessary. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Please hit the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you a dime. I promise you it won't cost you a dime. I would like to see your beautiful face again in another video that will be coming from NeedleMeister. Please, all you just have to do to get notification once the video drop is after you've clicked the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. Please do that. Thank you very much. I love you so much. Mwah.